Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Hello traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see a unique proprietary coded breakout indicator which identifies the consolidation area in a stock and breakouts yearly before they are occurring. For that, we have coded a custom indicator. Users can go to the indicator session and type here in technicals, type as breakout. So you will see an indicator named breakout bandwidth. Click on that. So you will get the indicator plotted here, and then go to the three dot button, visual order, and click on bring to front. Once you click it, you can see there is a blue circle plotting on the candles. So this is the consolidation area marked on the candles itself. Previously, we have seen a Bollinger Band plus momentum strategy which we use in monthly time frame, which identifies the skews and breakout areas very effectively. And in that video itself, I have told that I will give a low time frame indicator, custom indicator, which identifies the squeeze momentum area in daily and weekly time frame. This is the indicator. So here, whenever we find the three dot, the circle in the candles, it may be one candle, two candle, or even a 5 to 10 candles. You can find that there is a consolidation in the stock price. The bandwidth is narrowing, so that in future there will be an expansion of the bandwidth and there will be a breakout trade in the direction of the breakout. So this is not a directional indicator. It indicates that there is a consolidation happening. The direction we have to decide based on the price action. What is the price action? See here, we draw the high line on the high of this candle. So this is the high of the consolidation area and this is the low of the consolidation area. Whichever direction the price breaks and closes is the direction, and based on the direction we can take the trade. The stop loss can be the opposite direction. The risk reward can be based on your risk appetite and trading style. We see some more examples. See here in ABB, here is a consolidation area. It broke on the buy direction and gave a momentum. Similarly, again see, here is a consolidation area. We are marking the high and low of the consolidation area, and it broke on the sell direction and gave the momentum. We are going to another stock. In AB Capital, the consolidation area is here. Recently, we got a consolidation in AB Capital. See, the high of the consolidation area is this, low of the consolidation area is this. It broke and closed below, so we got a sell direction trade. See here. Here is a stop loss trade. This is the low of the consolidation area and this is the high of the consolidation area. That is, when the first candle came, the second candle there is no circle. So here itself we got that the consolidation area, and once the high broke, we have entered into that. Again we got a consolidation area here. So see here. Then we are moving the levels to the current consolidation area. Based on this, we book the profit here and we enter on the sell direction based on the breakout on the sell direction. So this strategy is very simple. It clearly identifies, see here, the consolidation areas in the stock price, and based on the directional breakout we can trade. We can use additional indicators like EMA, whatever indicator we are using to get a clear breakout or a pullback entry in this direction. These dots are just the identification. See, this is the high and low. Once it broke on the sell direction, it has come a long way. Similarly, it will work in weekly time frame also. See here. And weekly, we get a consolidation area here. This is the high of the consolidation. This is the low of the consolidation. See the buy breakout momentum. Again, see, this is the high of the consolidation. This is the low of the consolidation. See the sell directional breakout. So what this indicator does is, it identifies the area of consolidation in a stock price, and by creating a price action support and resistance level using the highest candle and lowest candle of the consolidation area, we are creating a zone to find out in which direction it is going to break out. Once the price is breaking out on the direction and closing above or below that particular level, we can use an additional indicator like moving average or any other indicator we use, or even we can go to lower time frame and wait for a pullback in the direction and enter for a minimum stop loss, or straight away based on the zones we can enter and trade for the predetermined risk reward as per your risk appetite. This video is for educational purpose only. I am giving unique strategies in this channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. Our aim is to educate individual investors about the institutional approaches. So here what we are going to give is, we are going to give several strategies which institutions use to identify the most positive momentum areas. Next week, we are going to provide another strategy, an important strategy which is known to very few people and used by pros and institutions, which is called as Wolf wave. I will explain how to draw this Wolf wave manually and see in all time frame, and there is also a free community indicator for this Wolf wave, which is having both bullish and bearish Wolf wave pattern, which is the most unique chart patterns based on the Elliott wave, and there is a variation to this. This pattern is considered by the institutions and pros as a very effective pattern because the risk reward ratio in this pattern is very high compared to all other chart patterns. Let us see this strategy next week. Follow our channel for weekly unique trading and investing strategies, and for more on sector analysis and stock analysis in the coming future. Stay tuned. Thank you.